A polygraph, popularly known as a lie detector, is a machine that measures a person's physiological reactions when they respond to questions. The polygraph detects any signs in the body that could indicate stress, which is a major giveaway that a person is lying. These signals include breathing, heart rate, and sweating. You've probably learned about the polygraph through action movies and crime scenes, but very few have encountered this device in real life. And although the polygraph is commonly referred to as the lie detector, that isn't exactly what it actually does. When the polygraph was first invented, a cardiologist developed it to examine the irregular heartbeat of one of his patients. So, the polygraph was initially a medical instrument long before it was adapted as a criminal investigation device. But are polygraphs really able to detect lies? And if so, how do they do that? And most importantly, how accurate are the results? At the beginning of the polygraph test, the examiner attaches multiple devices to the subject's body. The devices include electrodes, pneumographs, and blood pressure cuffs. The person is then told how the test works and is asked some sample questions. During the polygraph test, the examiner can employ different interrogation techniques. The most commonly used technique is the control question test, or the CQT. Under the CQT, the person must answer a set of different questions that fall into two categories: control questions and relevant questions. Control questions are general questions that are related to the person's past, while the relevant questions are related to the crime the suspect is under suspicion of committing. Usually, an innocent person will be more agitated when answering the control questions since they are related to their actual past behavior. They will be, however, more relaxed when answering the relevant questions since they are related to a crime they did not commit. The analysis performed is based on the assumption that when deception is attempted, small changes in human physiology occur as a result of either cognitive processing or emotional stress. Those who take the tests will be cleared based on the examiner's decision of no deception indicated. For those who are not cleared, the criminal investigative process will continue. But being able to detect any lies isn't as straightforward as it sounds, since polygraph testing can take hours to conduct. Polygraph examiners are even viewed as artists, since they know how to choose the right structure and timing of the questions in order to get the most accurate results. A polygraph test does not detect honesty. Instead, the results depend on the polygraph operator's analysis of the tested person's responses, which can sometimes be inaccurate. This is why most of the time, polygraph tests are not taken as evidence in US courts. However, polygraphs are still great tools for solving crimes. Investigators can watch, listen to interrogations, and detect if any lying is taking place. And although polygraphs are also used in non-judicial settings, it is prohibited for most private employers to use them for pre-employment screening or during employment. Modern polygraphs are computerized, which allows for more accuracy and unbiased analysis. And although anyone can purchase a lie detector, using one will be useless if not conducted by a highly qualified and trained examiner. Would you trust the results of a polygraph test? Share your thoughts in the comment section.